So in Android, many times you're gonna want to perform some event whenever a button is clicked. So let's go ahead and see how that can be done as well. So I have the same project. So let's go into the XML part and drag and drop a button. Okay, let me just modify some of the attributes quickly. Align parent button to true, and the width should be match parent. Text should be like click me. We don't need anything else for now. So let's go to the graphical view and see it. Yes, that's alright. Not a problem. So now let's go into the Java to link with this button. So we can map it from here like similarly for we've done for the text view. Button bt, and we need to initialize the button here. Bt is equal to find view by id r.id dot button1, which is our button. Okay, so we need to import button, and now we need to typecast it to button. So we have a reference to the XML button right here. And now in order to handle the click events on that very particular button, there are 3 different techniques. So for the first time, I'm going to use a technique which is called the anonymous inner event handling. So you're going to say bt.set on click listener, and you need to pass a new view.onClickListener. First, go ahead and end your statement, then import the onClickListener, and there we go. So let's get rid of this couple of lines from here. To here. Now there is an error. It says that the method setTextAppearanceContext in the type text view is not applicable for the arguments, and this is the reason, because this is inner event handling. You can't say this to refer to this activity. You have to define the full name. You're gonna say main activity dot this, and the problem is solved. So now let's run our application and see whether it is working or not. So whenever the button is going to be clicked, this whole code will execute from here to here. This is the onClick listener, which is going to listen for the button click event. Whenever this button is clicked, and these 2 lines of code are going to be executed. So let's go into the emulator and see what's going on. So we have our application up and running here. it says click me. Now if I click the button right here, it should change the text appearance as well as the text color. Here you go, and fantastically done. No problem whatsoever. And this is how we can handle the button click events. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it in a different manner. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.